158. Anti-Christianity on the Rise. Chalcedon Report number 334, May 1993. About 1952, the U.S. Supreme Court began to dismantle the biblical premises of American law. By the mid-1970s, the prosecution of Christian schools, churches and homeschools was underway. Now, in the 1990s, with great venom, anyone defending Christianity and biblical morality is likely to be the target of malicious attacks. It is now held that chastity cannot be taught in state schools because it is an establishment of religion. The children of darkness are indeed wiser than the children of light. Humanism is naturalism. With the Marquis de Sade and Kinsey, it holds that whatever can occur in nature, sodomy, bestiality, etc., is therefore natural and right. Humanism is rapidly being made the established religion of the United States. Fanaticism, intolerance. We see it now in a remarkable hatred of any who are not, quote, politically correct, end quote. The media in state after state are hostile to Christians and churches. In recent years, we have seen people hounded out of office or denied the use of their property for telling stupid jokes held to be politically incorrect. Is this freedom of speech? If immorality and humour is a ground for penalties, then these humanists should run out of office all whose sexual conduct is immoral. After all, is not conduct a more serious matter than jokes? America has had, despite its failings at times, a long history of patience and freedom. Early in our history, there were communistic colonies and, quote, free, end quote, love colonies. Christians, then in control, did not destroy these groups, however great their disagreement. Now, in our supposedly more enlightened and tolerant era, only anti-Christianity and humanism are tolerated. The move towards the suppression of dissent increases. I regularly hear of distressing cases of persecution. These humanistic persecutors are harsh and savage, while insisting that we Christians are, quote, judgmental, end quote. In the name of love, they are passionate haters. Sadly, too many in the churches become nervous if any Christian suggests that something must be done. They want to pretend that nothing is happening, and they resent all who try to awaken them. Besides, some say the, quote, rapture, end quote, is about to take place. Christians must be in prayer about this matter. They must tell their church organizations and denominations to go on record against this anti-Christianity. They must let the media and politicians know of their anger and alarm over these things. The culture of victimhood is all around us. Too many so-called, quote, Christian, end quote, psychologists have made it the new and false gospel. Our calling, however, is to be, quote, more than conquerors, end quote, in Christ. Romans chapter 8, verse 37. It is time for us to pray and to act. Arise, O Lord, let not man prevail. Psalm 9, verse 19. Put them in fear, O Lord, that the nations may know themselves to be but men. Psalm 9, verse 20.